good as it always is.
Mm-hmm.
You always know when the food is good when Marissa's quiet.
Anyways, hi guys. We are on our way to Costco to get new pots and pans, but that's not what this is going to be about. This is going to be about how to make keto chicken noodle, or not noodle, chicken soup. Keto
with no noodles.
With no noodles, and you won't even miss the noodles.
So after we go to Costco, we're gonna head to Ralph's. We'll take you on a tour in there and show you the ingredients that we gotta get. Instead of noodles, this recipe uses a lot of cabbage, just sliced real thin, kind of like noodles. It's actually one of my favorite recipes of all time. It was one of the things right when we started keto. Marissa kept asking me for something that was soup, and there's not a lot of keto soup options out here, but this one is the best. I adapted it from a recipe that we found online, and it's gonna taste awesome. We have some people coming over for New Year's tonight, so it's always a crowd pleaser, even with the non-keto folks at home. So stay tuned.
New year, new me.
So we've been eyeing these pans here from Costco for a while. My last set lasted me 8 years, so but those Teflon's wearing off, which is actually really bad for you, and we should have changed them out a long time ago, but hopefully we'll get another few years out of these ones.
That feels really light. I don't know.
So should we go see if they have any samples?
I mean, we just ate breakfast, but why not?
Alright,
Look at
let's
this
do it. So keto sample number 1. Some sort of salad with sesame dressing. How is it, babe?
Mm-hmm. It's pretty good, actually.
So find the biggest, baddest chicken they got. This one right here. Colossal chicken.
Colossal? Oh, it does say colossal.
So the basic ingredients you're gonna need: 8 cups of chicken stock, 2 stalks of celery, package of mushrooms, head of lettuce, we'll use about half, use dried chopped onions, some dried parsley flake, salt and pepper like everything else, some butter, some minced garlic, and of course this big old bad boy here, a nice biggest chicken you can find. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is shred the chicken. I like to just get in there and use my hands, pull all the meat up, pull all the meat off. It's dirty business, but makes it a little bit easier. Just pull all the meat off the bone. Also, because it's keto, you want to get as much fat and other good stuff in there, so make sure you put all the skin in there. What I'm going to do after I get all this meat off is put it on the cutting board and just kind of chop it up roughly so I get relatively even bits of chicken throughout the soup. So, as you can see, all the chicken is shredded up now. Pro tip, always put it back into the same container with all the juices. It'll suck up some more of the juices, and then when you actually go to throw the chicken in, throw that juice in with it. It'll just add a little bit more flavor. So I've just gone ahead and chopped up our celery now. And I'll do some mushrooms. Alright, so next we're going to melt 4 ounces or 8 tablespoons of butter in a pan or in your big stock pot. that's okay. We're gonna go ahead and throw in our other ingredients. For flavor, you're gonna do 2 tablespoons of these dried chopped onions. These kind of soak up all the butter and really give it a good flavor. Let's see, 2 teaspoons of this dried parsley. If you don't like parsley, you can leave that out, but it kind of makes it look a little bit cooler and gives it a good flavor too. And all the vegetables that we cut up. And just gonna start stirring that around and saute those down until it's something you might want to actually put in your mouth. Also, I forgot to add about a heaping teaspoon of garlic. Alright, so these have been sautéing for about 5 minutes or so. Good way to check is just taste it if you tastes like a good mushroom. How's it smell in here, babe?
Really good.
Alright, so now we're gonna add all the broth in.
I don't know if you're supposed to shake it, but I always shake things before.
I'm pretty sure it says shake well on the package.
Because it's the one time that I don't shake it is when I was supposed to shake it. Okay. Both of them?
Yep.
Okay.
And now hit it with some salt and peps.
Oh.
Bring this to a simmer and then simmer it until the vegetables are nice and tender. So next step is going to be cutting up the celery. I like using about a half a head. This is a pretty big one, so I'm not sure if I'm going to use it all, but it should come up to 2 or 3 cups of celery. And this is basically going to be your noodles. So I like to cut them into nice long strips. So it's kind of more like noodles. I'll probably use about 2/3 of that I cut up. Simmer now. Been about 5 or 6 minutes. You gonna do the celery test?
Yeah, let's see. If I can get one. A mushroom!
You ready?
Still need a couple minutes.
Okay, we'll come back in a few minutes. We're right around the 10-minute mark, and it's time to throw in the chicken and our cabbage. So after you add this, bring it back to a simmer and let it go for about 8 to 12 minutes till this cabbage is nice and soft, and then it's ready to serve. Oh, it smells so good. Alright, and the soup is done. It's been about 10 minutes. Had to crank the heat up at first to get it all simmering again, but once it starts boiling, you just bring it down to low. But you can serve it right away. Alright guys, now it's time for the taste test.
Make sure to get a little bit of everything. We got some chicken skin, mushrooms, all of it.
It's pretty hot.
What is really hot?
As good as it always is.
Mm-hmm.
You always know when the food is good when yours is quiet. Alright guys, well thanks for watching our video. Marissa's just chowing down right now, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. You know, leave us some comments, let us know how we did. It was our first ever vlog, whatever you want to call it, recipe tutorial. We plan on doing a lot of videos coming up here soon. So let us know what kind of videos you guys want to see. But yeah, this is the start of a new thing for us. So we're excited and we're ready to bring you guys along for all the fun.
Make sure to subscribe and like our video if you liked it. And if you have any suggestions, just let us know.
Yeah, that's what all the YouTubers do. They say, like,
down here,
up here.
We don't have that yet. We don't have the...
But we'll learn. So thanks. Bye, guys.